How do you drop in? Normal?
Yeah. A little bit of a lean. Whoa, crazy.
Oh, that was a bottom outie. Why are you laughing?
That's put me off doing that.
You can go faster.
You just like gunned it. You got down the bottom and just ripped it.
Yeah.
They just pop so easy.
Mine went with quite a big duff.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's weeping a little bit of oil.
Right, let's go find somewhere and something to do.
Okay. That was ace. That felt so good.
Mine felt terrible. I wasn't really expecting it to come up at all.
You launched, you were gone.
Hey, that's a good start to the day. Get the adrenaline pumping.
Mama always said that when it's right, it's right. Coming at you like Cleopatra. Oh, get them legs straight. To avoid these puddles, I don't want to get wet again. That's it. Just get your main aim is to get it up quick, as vertical as you can. That's it. Don't lean forward too much, wait for it to come up to you. That was better.
Oh, that little pump sent it.
See if I can do the whole thing. It's a bit off-roady there. It's weird how the steering control's kind of coming in now without me really learning. You just kind of adjust to what you're doing. That's it. Give it a big bounce. That's it. You come up a little bit more though. You just got to bring it up a bit more. You'll feel it. When it comes up, you're like so close to getting it up. And when it's up there, you'll see how easy it is to keep it there.
Just starts wobbling. Do you then need the speed to take the wobble out, or?
Not necessarily. I mean, wobbling is just something you have to kind of get used to. It's all about your feet position. Like, you naturally putting more weight on one leg than the other without realising. That's what's twisting you around. Oh, I keep stalling today.
Maybe it's the wind.
Could be the wind, you know. Oh, right crosswind there. But these little sorts of like, these things that you mess around with are the things that progress you, I think.
Thought you was going to say this is the meaning of life. Right, this one, because you're next to me.
Right, come on then. Yeah. Yeah, way better already. Your body position's straighter. But keep going, because you're not at the straightest you can be.
Oh, come on, I need to be as straight as I could possibly be.
Jesus can help you.
In the world of diversity, we need the straight man.
No man is born unstraight. can see that twist when I look from the... I'm doing this full length today. That's my aim.
I'll watch it. I believe in you. If the wind wasn't going as well.
Oh, I'm heading for the rocks. Oh, had to go around the rockers.
Nice.
But it hasn't taken me long to get to that point. So where you're at now, you're close to finding the balance point and the natural feeling. And then from then, it's just how long you can keep the front end up and how you can steer. It becomes more about steering once you learn to keep the front up.
Yeah, yeah. Right. Okay, that's a bit weird to start, but still. How did he get here? We figure because I'm pushing myself a bit today, Jamie's going to go try level up one and do stand up. So he's got to get it to about there, maybe a bit further to there, and then he's going to drop a foot and tap the floor with his foot and then get back on. We've had a few little practice runs just before we started filming because we didn't really think it was going to go anywhere, but now he's like, no, I'm going to do it. This is my challenge. Let's do it. Let's pick a spot and I'll film, get them exterior shots. He did a bit of everything in each one. Now you got to knit it together. Here he goes. Oh, that's fast. Oh, that little blip at the end. Yeah. Yeah. I did it. Yes. Yes. Oh, to a can. This is it. Yes! Oh my! He's done it! Go on, do another. Oh no, too fast. I mean, it felt sketchy, but that was probably the best one, I reckon. That was it.
Right, try and get it up and get your throttle consistent and start just using your brake. Just use your brake now. Oh my god, look at that!
That was the progression, yeah?
Yeah. Don't lose that, do it again now, make sure you've got it. Oh, wobbly woo. The biggest thing holding you back in anything is fear, innit?
That was one of my best.
Into a circle! Ah! Oh my god. Mate, you'll be doing 1-footers in a minute.
Yeah, boy. Good day?
Yeah. So, thanks for watching. Leave us a comment below. Anything you can, well, if you think we're not doing something right or...
Which definitely something. This is the internet after all. We're doing something wrong.
Article 15 will tell us that it should be your right foot going off or whatever. Just leave us a comment, let us know. What do you think? I mean, the whole progress of our wheelies from nothing to now. Like, go back and watch them, watch the videos. See where we've come from, because we've never done this before. And this shows you in such a short space of time.
Especially today, once you get the fundamentals down, I think that's it. It is just building blocks then on top of the foundation. So on that note, if you like the video, give us a thumbs up. If you want to see more, give us a subscribe. If you want to help the channel, give us a share. And we'll see you in the next one. I want to buy our t-shirt.
That supports us. 15 quid delivered to your door.
Bargain.